Gastrointestinal stromal tumors, GISTs, are the most common mesenchymal neoplasms of the digestive tract and originate from interstitial cells of Cajal or their precursors. Morphologically, they can present with a spindle cell, epithelioid, or mixed pattern with variability in cellularity, mitotic index, and the presence of necrosis, factors that are involved in risk stratification. The most common location is the stomach, followed by the small intestine, although they can develop in any segment of the gastrointestinal tract. Immunohistochemically, the expression of KIT, CD117, and DOG1 is a key element for diagnosis, especially in lesions with atypical morphology. Furthermore, the evaluation of tumor size, mitotic index, and anatomical location allows for the establishment of recurrence risk categories, which guides clinical follow-up and the indication for adjuvant treatment. In cases with specific mutations, tyrosine kinase inhibitor therapy has substantially improved the prognosis, especially in advanced or metastatic disease. However, the emergence of secondary resistance necessitates the consideration of new therapeutic strategies based on the tumor's molecular profile. Consequently, the diagnostic and therapeutic approach to GISTs requires a rigorous integration of clinical, histological, and immunomolecular findings to optimize prognostic stratification and personalized treatment within the framework of precision oncology.